Whether you fish from a boat, kayak, or canoe, from the shoreline or on the ice, you'll find a FishTrax accessory that is perfectly adapted to your needs. Every FishTrax has built-in expandability that easily allows the fish finder to adapt to any fishing platform. We provided each of the fish finders with a 1/4-20 female adapter at the bottom of the housing. Big deal, huh? Yes, it is a big deal. This thread is what all of the track mounts on the market use. That means you can adapt this fish finder to almost any mounting system for kayaks, canoes, float tubes, rod holders, you name it. Weekend warriors have the solution for the bow rider. Simply attach any FT to our suction cup mounting bracket and attach it to a non-porous surface in the helm. You can also create a mounting pad using our 3M adhesive back mounting plate or our weighted display mounting pad. All of these solutions offer endless mounting versatility. The included transducer has the ability to shoot through most holes, or it has multiple transom mount options ranging from a permanent fixed mount to a suction cup mount for on-the-fly versatility. For a more permanent solution, we also offer 12-volt adapter that simply replaces the existing battery cover and allows the unit to run off any 12-volt power source. Combine that with our transom mount transducer that allows for high-speed readings, and you have a fixed system that will put you on the fish. This also allows the included transducer to be used on your portable battery-powered adventures. Paddleboard SUP users, we know how much you love to be out on the water, and we want to be your go-to fish finder. We created an SUP transducer mount that allows you to pick the angle and location of the transducer. Attach one of our D-Link neck straps and your FT will always be in reach for accurate structure and fish readings. Whether you're a serious float tuber fisherman or simply drifting downriver in an inner tube with a line out, our float tube mount has you covered. The adjustable nylon strap simply wraps around the float tube and includes a top display mount and a bottom transducer mount. When you're done for the day, simply unclip the strap and you're on your way. Our waterproof battery-powered FishTrax are lightweight and easy to read, which makes the perfect solution for all your floating adventures. When ice fishing season comes around, there's no need to reach for another product. Your versatile FT has you covered year-round. Our ice shack, used in conjunction with our suction cup mount and weighted display mount, has you on the ice and ready to fish in minutes. The ice shack includes storage pockets on the side, as well as a transducer cable portal in the rear for easy use on the ice. When you're done for the day, simply zip up the ice shack and the unit is easily carried with its non-slip carry handle. FishTrax expandability gives fishing enthusiasts unmatched versatility. FishTrax fish finders will go from kayak to dock to boat and onto the ice in winter without the use of costly tools or complicated hardware installations. Shop the complete line of FishTrax accessories at HawkeyeElectronics.com and customize your FishTrax to meet your fishing lifestyle.